In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a GetResponse landing page. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly take a landing page offline without accidentally deleting it or affecting your other campaigns. This is useful if a promotion has ended, you're updating your content, or you simply don't want people accessing that page anymore. First, log into your GetResponse account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to look along the top of the screen. You'll see the main navigation bar there. Find the option labeled Tools, click on Tools, and a large drop-down menu, sometimes called a mega menu, will open. Inside this menu, look for the section related to building visibility or promoting your content. Under that area, you should see an option called Landing Pages. Go ahead and click Landing Pages. This will take you to a dedicated page that lists all the landing pages you've created in your account. After the landing pages list loads, you'll see each of your pages arranged in rows. Typically, each row will include the landing page name, some performance details, and a status indicator. Take a moment to identify the specific landing page you want to unpublish. If you have many pages, you might find it helpful to scan by name or use any available search or filter options on the page. Once you've found the correct landing page, look along that row for the status column. In that column, there should be a toggle or switch that shows whether the page is currently published. When the toggle is on, it means the landing page is live and accessible to visitors. To unpublish the landing page, simply click that toggle to turn it off. As soon as you do this, GetResponse will update the status of the page. You should see a small notification pop up on the screen confirming that the status has changed. This is your indication that the landing page has been successfully unpublished. From this point on, visitors will no longer be able to access that landing page through its public link. The page still exists in your account, so you can come back later, edit it, and republish it whenever you're ready. That's all you need to do to unpublish a GetResponse landing page.